Welcome to the channel Love from the Kitchen. In this video, see how I prepare buns that are fried in oil. Put a teaspoon of dry yeast in a container, add a teaspoon of flour and pour 50 milliliters of lukewarm water. Leave in a warm place for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 500 grams of flour. Prepare 150 milliliters of lukewarm water and knead a soft dough. If necessary, add more flour and knead until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Cover the dough with cling film and let it rest in a warm place for about 30 minutes. Knead the dough and divide it into 3 parts. Form each part into a ball. Roll out with your hands and cut into triangles. Heat the oil and bake the prepared buns at a medium temperature. Write in the comments if you have ever prepared them this way. I repeat the process and in the end I got these beautiful triangle buns that are the children's favorite. Serve with side dishes as desired. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, leave me a like or subscribe to the channel for free to be informed about every next recipe. Until the next video, greetings.